Hi, Sam Burke, Corporate Chef for Meat and Livestock Australia. I'm here to show you some creative ways to cook Australian red meat over fire. Why? Because it's liberating. It provides a sense of romance, theatre, and most of all, flavour. Today's dish, a favourite of mine, lamb Adana skewers over the charcoal. Adana is a city in Turkey, and they are famous for their kebabs, hence the name Adana Kebabs. Today's dish encompasses lamb shoulder mince, grated onion, coriander, chili, cumin, sumac, paprika, shredded capsicum, garlic, and sea salt. Let's get into making our mince for the skewers. On Sunday afternoons, it's a real time to get family together. And we've got a lot of Turkish, Syrian, Lebanese, Middle Eastern cultures all throughout Western Sydney. And you can often smell coals, lamb Adana, kafta, the fat dripping down, wafting back up, permeating the air with a wonderful lamb fragrance all the way through the streets. And it just makes you hungry, you know, you start salivating almost immediately. This is what I want to share with the average consumer or customer or food service person, how to make this kebab, how to mold it onto the skewer, grill it, and give that wonderful experience to your customers, your friends, your family. That's what we're doing today. We really want to mix all the ingredients evenly into the kebab mixture. Why? So you get the same amount of texture all the way through the kebab when you skewer it onto the rod. Lamb shoulder mince is perfect for this dish. Why? Because it's got just the amount of fattiness that you want to bind around the skewer, then drip down the coals and give that wafting smell I was talking about earlier. And there we are, we're ready for the skewers. So we've got our skewers here. Hand in the water. We want to grab a bit of mince and we want to put it in the middle of the skewer, almost like a football if you like. Thread it straight through the middle of the skewer. And then you kind of like want to mold it all the way down. And you want to leave little impressions in your thumb. Just nice and evenly so it cooks evenly. Now to accompany our kebabs today, we've made a little salad that goes well with the end result. Spanish onion, sumac, lemon, apple cider vinegar, salt and pepper, and just bruise it together with some fresh parsley. And then I've got my wife here today who's made some homemade flatbread dough to accompany our kebabs. Red meat, salad, vegetables, bread, humble ingredients that have been around for thousands of years and still popular here today. Join me next time in my backyard for more Australian red meat cooking adventures.